Want to multiply numbers instantly without a calculator? Here's a mental math hack for you. Here's our math tricks for today. Multiplication by 11 shortcut. Now, let's multiply 24 times 11. Instead of the long way, here's the shortcut. Split the digits and add them. We split 2 and 4. Then we add. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And then we put 6 between 2 and 4. So we have 2, 6, 4. Now 24 times 11 is equal to 264. Now let's have 53 times 11. To find the product, let's split 5 and 3. And then we add. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then place the sum between 5 and 3. So we have 583. Therefore, 53 times 11 equals 583. Now let's multiply 67 times 11. When multiplying a two-digit number by 11, place the sum of the digits between them and carry over if needed. In this example, 67 plus 11, to find the product, we split 6 and 7. Then, we add. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Since we produce two digits, we're going to carry over 1. So we write 3 and we carry over 1 to the left digit. So now we have 6 plus 1 equals 7. We put 3 between 7 and 7. Therefore, the answer is 737. Next, we multiply 89 times 11. Split the numbers. We have 8 and 9, and then add. We have 8 plus 9. Again, we produce two-digit number. Therefore, we write 7 and we carry over 1. And then we add 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And then we put 7 between 9. Therefore, we have 979. Now, you can multiply by 11 in seconds. Now, it's your turn. Try to multiply 78 times 11. And comment your answer. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow for more quick math hacks. Thank you for watching.